What's going on, YouTube? Alright, I'm going to show you guys a couple things that I've recently got. I'm going to start with the vape juice. Okay, we got some, I don't know if you can see it, bowl of loops. This is all from Vape Craft. I'll put my link down in the middle or underneath if you guys are interested in it. We got Green Jacket. Also, if you guys are interested in any of this vape juice, I have it on eBay as well. Bunch of it. And here we got Clubhouse. And VIP. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Vape Craft, but I get them wholesale, so I mean I don't pay a whole lot for it. And also I'm going to add that I have a new product coming from eLeaf. I should have it here the 28th, and I will be doing a review on it. I don't know what it's going to be. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I've already had this open and everything. Got it charged up and batteries, and I've already put vape juice in it. But today we're going to do a little look at the G-Priv 2 LUXE Edition. I'm not going to get into exact details on any of this because there's hundreds and hundreds of different reviews. Also, before I get too into this, I'd like to show you guys a sample box. If you guys are interested in getting one, leave a comment, message me, and I can give you the link, and I can get you $10 in ZB bucks just for ordering. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. And also on Vapor DNA, I can give you guys some pretty good discounts on purchases and whatnot. Okay. In this, I got fingerprints all over it, but still. Nice 510. On the back, you just plop this open here. It takes two 18-650s. The cool thing about this one is these magnets. It's got 4 magnets here, and they're strong. You don't even have to put it on right. You can just throw it on there, and it'll click right on there. I mean, you gotta actually pull on it. You got force. You gotta have force there. Okay, so there's that there, and it comes with your little salts. Comes with a user manual. It comes with your verification card. My camera sucks. Comes with your battery warning label card. Comes with this little protective sleeve, but I mean, the blue's nice. I don't understand why you would want that to keep it protected. Okay, and it comes with an extra coil. I do believe it comes with a 5. Comes with extra seals and O-rings, and whatever that white thing is that goes on the top of the tank. Comes with a USB charger. And it comes with the Prince Tank as well. also comes with an extra tank. It's not the Prince tank or the bubble tank or whatever you want to call it, but at least it comes with an extra. And that's everything that comes with it. So it's 5 clicks to turn on. Okay, now everything here is all touchscreen. You click up here on the menu and you can do your, I can't really see for shit. You can change the color of your screen. I like the red and the blue. What did I do? Okay. And here you can pretty much set your puff so it could be soft, hard. This one has the option for max, which I don't really use. Again, you got your TC mode. You got your puff counter. And the cool thing with this is, if you hold this little button here on the side, it'll shut your screen off, and you can still fire. Or you can click it, hold it in until you see the little lock up there. Then nothing here is you can touch, nothing. You keep it in your pocket. The response to this is quick. This has a maximum of 230 watts. The color is awesome on it. I like the blue. The only thing I didn't like about this is when I purchased it, I was, searching up through here. I looked it over, and there, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the paint job on it, oh, there you go. It's all scuffed up right here. And for a Luxe Edition, it shouldn't be like that. There shouldn't be anything cosmetically wrong at all with this. And then on the back, if you take the cover off, you can see purple. Okay, it's supposed to be blue. I don't understand why it's showing purple. I mean, in here it doesn't show purple at all. So, a guy shouldn't be carrying anything purple. I mean, unless you like purple, but I don't. Alright, so we're going to turn this up to 230 watts, and we're going to take a hit off it, and then that'll be it. Again, any questions if you guys are interested in these, just message below and I can give you the links, or you can find me on eBay. I'm asking $19.99 a piece for them. Free shipping, depending on where you are. But every last one of these are awesome. They're really good. Vapor production is awesome. The throat hit is awesome. These are 3 milligrams, and these are right from Vapecraft. Again, I'm a wholesaler. Vape, if you guys want to check out my link on the Vapor DNA, I can also provide that one down below too if you guys are interested. But let me do something real quick while I'm thinking of it. I'm going to put this sleeve on here just to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like. I think it's pointless because if you got the Luxe Edition, you clearly bought it for the looks of it, not, so I'm not going to use it because it's absolutely pointless to me. And it's so flimsy. I mean, I don't see where it would do any good for you because there's just so many cutouts in it. It's really flimsy. So anyway, that's what it would look like with the sleeve on it. I mean, it's hiding everything. It's nothing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hit, and then I'm going to let you guys go. Too high for me. Alright guys, so that's it. I actually got, in it right now, I got Looper. I got this in my sample box. And I will, if you guys like Fruit Loops or whatever, get this, because it is absolutely awesome. It is my #1. I don't have any other ones to put onto this, so this definitely beats it. It's my #1 of, this month. Then again, I've gotten 3 already this month, so I guess that doesn't really count. So, alright guys, that is me showing you guys a little bit about the Smok G-Priv 2 kit, LUXE Edition. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a good night.